If you know me, or if you've been watching my videos, you know that the Char-Broil All-This Turkey Fryer is my go-to #1 Ace Coon Boom cock of the wall, love it cooking utensil. But if you look at it right now, you wouldn't think so. That is the result of some burnt chicken, and I haven't been maintaining it properly like I should. Daddy hasn't been nice to his girl. First and foremost, if this area doesn't look familiar to you, this is my front yard. The reason I'm shooting the video in the front yard today is, you know I have a Great Dane. If you have an animal and you do what we're about to do, which is clean the Big Easy using Easy Off, I'll be spraying it with the water hose and I'm gonna have runoff. What I wouldn't want to happen is my dog to go out, lick up the runoff off the Easy Off and get sick or worse. So just a word of caution, if you have an animal, make sure that you try this. If you're gonna do this with your Big Easy or your oven racks or whatever, if you're outside, make sure that you keep this in an isolated area where you don't hurt your animal. Now, with that being said, let's get started. Hello YouTube family, welcome. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your #1 YouTube host. And today we're going to be trying something I haven't tried before. I just thought about this when I was in the grocery store the other day. I picked up a can of Easy Off and we're going to spray this down. I'm about to go to lunch with my mother-in-law. I got to go in and take a shower. We're going to spray this down with Easy Off. We're going to let it sit for probably 3-4 hours. We're going to come back, and I think it's going to take a second application. We're going to spray it down again with Easy Off. Then we'll come back. We're going to hose it down, like I said, and we're going to see what the end results are. And even if it doesn't clean it all the way, if it'll break up some of this burn and residue, then we can apply it again until we get it either looking right or we have to order a new insert. Good morning, family. It is the next day, day 2 of the Big Easy clean video. And for the most part, I did a little scraping earlier this morning. If you can see, we're starting to get some shine. So now I'm gonna take the water hose. I was gonna use my pressure washer, but I don't feel like pulling it out. So we're going to take the water hose. We're gonna wash everything down. Maybe take a little Brillo pad and hit it. And I think we're gonna be successful. Let's see what we got. All right, family, there you have it. I think the Easy Off solution for the Big Easy cleaning is a go. We're never gonna make this thing look pristine again. It's got a lot of miles on it. Been a lot of ribs, chicken, sausage, pork chops through this baby. But I think the Easy Off is your best cleaning solution when you let this thing get out of hand or if you burn something. So, us here at This and That, we give the Big Easy Easy Off cleaning a thumbs up. So, if this video was helpful, y'all make sure to give her a thumbs up. If it wasn't, give it a thumbs down and a brief reason in the comment section. And don't forget, if you like what we're doing here, subscribe and be sure to hit the old bell for notification when we drop one of these videos. Peace.